Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of that pesky drop down notification that Uber does. And that's the one that we were talking about. With the most recent updates to Uber, this drops down every time you leave the Uber app. If you're like me, you personally don't like it. If you use Maximo, it gets in the way of turning off your Lyft. So, the best way to get rid of this notification is to pull down your notification tabs, press and hold where it says you are online. You'll get another little generic, says details save. Click on details. Then you'll go to the app notification screen for Uber, and where it says generic sound and pop up on screen, click there. Then on the notification category screen, you're going to want to click where it says importance, urgent, sound and pop up on screen. On this screen, you want to make it a medium, no sound. Then if you go all the way back to Uber, and then you'll see we drop down, it is no longer there. And that is how you disable your Uber notifications. Thanks for watching.